the fourth unit that we have purchased. Been extremely happy with them, very reliable. It was a natural for us to stay with Spray Force.
No, this is a Cadillac of trucks. This would be a tender's dream.
And when Brian mentioned the new hydraulics, we were very interested with some of the new improvements that were coming out.
This thing runs so much quieter than the other equipment. We can be talking like we are right now up on the back of this truck and be able to hear it just fine.
How's that water tank working?
It works really well. It took the guys maybe the first 2 batches to get the idea how much volume, how long they needed to turn it on, and then they were just using the counting system, 1001, 1002, boom, shut it off. So they knew. Without having a water barrel up on the deck, it increases their workspace up by that much more, not having to deal with the water barrel.
And one of the key things is when the unit comes back to us now, we're no longer fabricating, building larger hoppers, modifying the mix so that the truck stays cleaner.
Our setup as it is right now, we have our slurry containers that are attached to the panel hooks, and with the trucks having the manifolds coming off the back there, if you have any type of lockup or any kind of complication, it makes it real challenging to get in there and pull that manifold off with that trailer hooked up. With this here, you still have easy access to everything, and with your quick release on this this hopper exit configuration on the bottom of the manifold, it makes it real fast to clear any blockage.
I mean, some of the key things that people are going to really notice is going to be for operator, the ease of controls.
We've got our new guy Mike. You know, he's learning. He's being taught to tend. He's going to take over the duties for Warren. And Friday, he was at one point in time, he was just kind of standing there on the bed of the truck. He says, "I don't have to do anything. This is nice. Don't have to throw buckets of water. Don't have to do any of this type of thing." So he really appreciates this truck because of the fact that he's mixed on our other trucks. So now he's on this new rig, and he can see major differences between the two systems. But this is by far the elite of the mixing trucks.
Safety is a big factor. If we pack the hoses, the unit's going to automatically, it's going to quit pumping. Safety is a big factor.
There's been a lot of situations where other trucks where you're parked on real narrow streets and you have to be real cautious of passing traffic. You know, we actually had to put cones out, but hanging out off that truck, and you know, before you do, you got to look to make sure there's no big trucks coming by. With this, you're within the parameters of the width of the bed of the truck, and it's just a much safer design by far.
Equipment is now being designed for swimming pool plasters. It's no longer set up for a stucco mixer, modified for pool plastering. Just simple little details as the Zerk fittings for other grease. You know, you go out there to grease your mixer and your pump, everything's located in one location.
Everything has been really awesome. That's where I started out, was on the truck. And after seeing this, I would have no problems going back tending again.
The new changes have basically have made the equipment far easier to work on, to service, the operations. You know, there's no more modifying the unit. The unit comes for us, it's ready to go to work.